Good morning. The word of today, humidity. It's foggy as hell. My glasses are wet, I can barely see. My shorts, all of it's wet. But at least I'm not hot, right? Actually, I'm still a little hot. Anyway, back to work. See you in a few. Slight interruption to my ride today. Got 2 semi-trucks blocking my road. Nothing like fucking up a good exercise. All right, exercise is done. I feel like I already took my shower, so I guess I don't have to mess with that. Anyway, we're not screwing around today. I'm going to grab some coffee, and then I'm going to the RC shop. Let's get this new adventure started. We'll see you in a bit. All right, girls are gone, and I'm gonna go get my car. But I decided, you know what? I feel like I can combine both of my passions, motorcycles and RCs. So I'm taking the bike to go get the RC. And then I'm gonna try to find a bag or something that'll let me basically haul my RC stuff on my bike. So if I wanna go play, I just hop on my motorcycle, take a nice little ride, unload the RC, play a little bit, load it all back up, and head back. If people can go camping on their motorcycle, I feel like I can go RCing on mine. Anyway, we're gonna give it a try. First, let's just see if we can get us a new car. And then we'll figure the rest out along the way. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm here at the hobby shop, Kaine. Look at this thing's pretty cool. I feel like I'm gonna need one of these in the future, right? I mean, it's a motorcycle RC. I'm a motorcycle guy. How do I not get one of those in the future? But then you can see all the different RC vehicles they've got here. Check this monster out. Look at that thing. That's huge and cool. There's a really cool car. A buggy. More cars and stuff over here. I mean, pretty much anything that you want. Any body style. So you just gotta decide. Oh, boats. We got boats over here. So you just gotta kind of decide what you want to do, right? I'm going to build this electric car and come here and race it because they have a track here. So that's why I chose that electric car, because there's a track 5 miles from my house. And it's going to be a learning experience. So I have a huge pile. See my pile of stuff over here? That is my pile of stuff that I'm going to put into this car and get it built. It's going to be a learning experience. He's been very helpful with, you know, telling me about all this, but I'm still going to have to sit down and figure it out because it's all... There was a nitro guy in here and I'm like telling him about nitro. This is all new to me. I have no idea. Like I told them, look, I know how a gas engine runs, but I'm not an electrician. So electric cars are a whole new world to me. Amps, milliamps, all that stuff is going to be a learning curve. So I'm pretty excited to get started. I imagine this is going to take me all weekend just to put this car together. But, you know, I'm going to take my time, do it right, and take you guys along with me. Alright, so when I walked out, they looked at all the stuff I had in my hands and like, where's all that gonna go? There it is. She is loaded. The bags are full, and so is the back all strapped on. Here's that track. I'll lift you up where you can see it. There's the driver's stand, and there's the track. I paid for my membership. It's like $9 a month and I can practice all I want. So I'll be down here practicing once I get this thing all put together. Looks like I told them it may take me 2 months. But let's go see what we can get put together. See you in a few. Alright guys, I am home. I had to stop and grab some lunch, grab some Taco Bell. Anyway, I'm home. So I've got the table out, set up right in front of the TV so I can watch videos and listen to music and stuff while I do it. kind of have everything kind of lined out. I haven't opened the actual kit yet. It's in there. I'll break it out in a minute. Motor, all that. Everything is here. I've got paint because the body comes unpainted in the kit. So I basically have to put this thing all together. Like there is nothing put together at all. I'm gonna have to put it all together myself, which is part of the fun, right? And it's also part of the stress. I have never put a full car together. I've always bought a ready to run car and then tweaked it and tuned it to make it my own. But I mean, there's a story to that too. Back when I was racing these, for lack of better words, I was poor. I had 2 kids. I was young. I didn't have any money. And so I bought the absolute cheapest I could get. When I was racing dirt buggies, I bought somebody's used buggy that had so many problems. It was pretty frustrating because somebody had already got all the good out of it and I just got the bad. And every time I took it somewhere, it broke and it wouldn't run. And it was, trust me, it was a pain. But there are much cheaper ways to get into it than what I just did. But I wanted to, I want to race this. I want to go down and be competitive and not have everything break. And so kind of like a motorcycle, you got that initial cost. And then once that's over, I was talking to the guy and he's like, little bits and pieces, tires are the big thing. But otherwise, you're pretty set, which is what I wanted. So that being said, this is a whole new experience for me. And you guys are coming along for it. So buckle up and let's see if we can get this thing put together. All right, y'all. So I got everything laid out. I think I showed you that. I got a cup of coffee since then, but I think I showed you. I got everything laid out. I got a nice, good surface to work on. I got tools. Got the whole 9 yards. I've been watching some videos. There are build videos for this particular kit on TV. And from what I can tell, the instructions are very detailed. So why am I not working on it yet? Because honestly, I'm a little intimidated. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to learn something new, but it is intimidating when you learn something new, right? So I just made a video telling everybody I'm going to do a special series or playlist on our channel that is purely RC, and that will be building this car and everything else. You're going to see it in the daily vlog as always, but there will be specific videos if you're just interested in getting to the nitty gritty of the RC stuff, then that will be where you'll want to go. Anywho, I guess I'm never going to get this built if I don't stop talking and get to work. So let's get to work. All right, guys, wish me luck. The parts are out of the box. So if you'll notice, they're all numbered: bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5, so on and so forth. I've got them all laid out on my table. Here is the instruction manual. As you can see, it looks pretty detailed, like bag 1, step 1, bag 1, step 2, bag 2, step 1, and all the way through. So it looks like we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, there it is, ever in, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. We have 19 pages. 19 pages of building instructions. So I don't know how long it's going to take. Hang around and find out. I update, I am 2 hours in and that much together. I'm still on bag 2, step 2. There's a lot of little bitty teeny tiny parts. So I can say that I've dropped them a few times, struggled getting them together. Oh look, there's Honey. She come to say hi. Anyway, and now it's coffee break time. But I think I might go out and fire up the old basher and get some practice in with the T-Max before it gets dark, and then come back in here and spend the night doing this. So let's go have some fun. All right, it is 9 o'clock at night, and here's how it's going. So the front end's put together a lot, the back end, the differential, the gearing. That stuff's all going together now. You can see I got everything laid out and ready for my next project. I am on page 11 of 23. I'm on page 11 of 23. So I'm probably halfway there. But I'm having a good time. I'm enjoying it. It's fun. I like this kind of stuff. So there's lots of screws and little bitty pieces and, you know, Loctiting this and, you know, measuring this and making sure this fits right. So it's definitely a challenge, which, you know, was what I was looking for. And I can't wait to get out and run it. Hopefully I put it together right. I don't know what time I'm going to go to bed tonight, but I'm going to continue. I didn't go bashing earlier. Like I said, I was going to go out and run the car. I didn't. I stayed right here and kept working on this. I'm one of those guys, like I'm kind of got a narrow focus and I'm focused on getting this done. So hopefully I'll get it done tonight or tomorrow. Just as long as I'm done before I leave on Sunday, I think I'll be all right with that. Anywho, that is a wrap for today. I've just opened a whole new can of worms in my life, and I'm pretty excited. So stay tuned to see what happens tomorrow. Well, my end wasn't my end. It is now 12:08 in the morning. Obviously, I haven't edited this video yet because I'm adding this in, but there is my buggy. She is almost done. I just need to do the shocks and put some tires on it, put the motor in it, battery, and I should be rocking. Oh, and I got to paint the body. I do not like painting. I am not a crafty person. So the body will probably look like shit, but hopefully the rest of it will be awesome. I'll get that done tomorrow, and then probably Wednesday, Thursday is Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Saturday, one of those days I'll get up there and take this around the track a few times. But anyway, I think I'll have it all done before I leave on Sunday, which was the goal. If I can get done early enough tomorrow, then maybe I can grab the T-Max and take it out and do some bashing with it. I don't know. Anywho, I am definitely going to edit this video and call it a night or a morning. I guess it's technically Saturday already. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.